My medicine tastes horrible. I really don't want to take it.
Oh dear. You do get a bit worried around medicine time. I find it a bit stressful too. Maybe we can talk to the doctor about you trying tablets instead.
Yes, that's a great idea. It's really simple with these 6 steps. Let's sit down. What drink would you like?
Juice, please.
We'll start with the smallest sweet first. I'll have one too. Now place the sweet in the middle of your tongue. Yes, that's right. Now seal your lips around the top of the bottle and take 3 gulps of juice without putting the bottle down.
All gone.
Brilliant. Let's try the next size sweet. You finished them all. How do you feel?
Really proud.
You did it. Let's change you to a tablet.